This is the Oukitel C25, a phone I've been trying to get for months, but the shipments kept getting cancelled, but now I finally have it. And yeah, for $100, you get 4 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage, a 5000 mAh battery, a 6.52-inch display, HD+. Guess that's either Full HD or 720p, doesn't specify here exactly. Oh, never mind, it's 720p. You have the quad-core T310 processor. I've never heard that before. I think MediaTek trying to change the names of their processors again. But yeah, those are our main specs. Let's open this up. Have this weird spongy feeling paper. Feels nice actually. Alright, already SIM ejector tool and alright, okay. We got the green one here, I guess. Oh, this case really stuck on there. Very nice color actually. So first impressions, feels nice in the hand. Color looks really nice. In the box are Type-C cable, charging brick, SIM ejector tool, and our manuals and warranty certificate. Also this nifty TPU case. Okay, that took a while, but yeah, first impressions, the display looks pretty nice. Our classic teardrop design, bottom bezel isn't that big. So I'm gonna set this up and get back to you. All right, the interesting part is fingerprint sensor. So it is, yeah, okay, it's over here. I think, yeah, it's this one. So looks pretty professional. Oh, look how fast it's going through it. All right, there we go. First impressions, looks overall like a pretty decent smartphone for $100. Performance is also very nice. I was expecting it to stutter a lot more, but so far, really nice actually. It didn't connect to the Wi-Fi, so I'm gonna have to set it up again. All right, let's see how the typing experience here is like. All right, damn. All right. How is this phone so fast? I'm really impressed so far. But yeah, while those apps are downloading, let's set up our face unlock, assuming we have one. All right, yeah, there it is. All right, put it in the circle. Come on. All right, it won't let me set up the face. It keeps saying there's not enough light when there is, so I'm just gonna skip that and go straight to the fingerprint unlock. It's a very odd placement at first. You gotta get used to it. Sorry for the background noise. It seems every time I film a review, there's always something going on. But yeah, fingerprint unlock is very, very fast. Like as soon as you tap it, it unlocks. I mean, it also depends if you place it correctly. Okay, no major lag, but the frame rate did seem kind of low. Let's turn off ads for this one. Oh my god. Knife hit runs perfectly. What about Wind Rider? Can't say it correctly. Okay, Wind Rider. It's no 60 FPS. I think it's stuttering because of the ads, like trying to load up ads right now to see Instagram. But okay, yeah. This is like almost 60 FPS. I think if you turn on airplane mode, you won't get ads because there's no like internet, and yeah, really impressive. All right, so first impressions. Let me zoom in for you guys. So PUBG is running perfectly fine. Okay, not the highest frame rate. But I'm sure if you lower the graphics, see where they are right now. Alright, they are already at the lowest. Oh, a snowman. I mean, it's not the highest frame rate, but it works. Alright, so for $100, I think the speaker performs very well. There's no distortion. It gets decently loud. Quality is normal for the price. So yeah, Rear camera is 13 megapixels, front camera is 8 megapixels, rear video is full HD, front video is also full HD. And first selfie, here we go. Let's go outside even though it's raining. It's gonna be cold. Alright, rear facing video. So tried focusing, but it just refuses to focus on because of things. Maybe we had like a manual focus option. Oh, okay, there you go. And front facing video. Wait, I think the front camera's a little too dirty. It's currently raining right now. But yeah, let me know what you think. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Just should you buy this phone? Now I'm gonna say for $100, yeah. I mean, you get decent specs, decent performance, decent cameras, decent speakers. Did I see decent display? Yeah, I mean, the performance is surprisingly good. Like, it feels really good and very smooth, in my testing at least. The only thing that I wish was different was the storage. Like, I think they could have done 64 gigs. 32 gigs, even for this price range, it's a bit too little. But other than that, really impressive smartphone. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.